Greetings friends and fellow cigar box guitar enthusiasts. Del Puckett here, and this is an unboxing video. I've got two boxes that I've been holding off to open because I wanted to open them on camera and give a shout out to the gentleman who sent these. The first one is from a gentleman named Patrick Hughes. And he has one of these penny smashers. It smashes pennies. Oh. And he's smashed pennies for me in the past, but I've ran out. And so I emailed him. I go, Patrick, I need some more pennies. I'm trying to buy the penny smasher off him, and I'm trying to be persistent. But anyhow, he's such a cool dude. He knocks these things out. And look at this awesome box. Hello. Come on, dude. Come on. This is great. All right, guys, check this out. Hallelujah. Okay, I'm gonna hold this up here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not, but I'll try to get the light right. See how it's got a cigar box guitar on there? Dude, isn't that just the coolest thing in the world? Yep, that is so cool. Patrick, seriously, dude, I would love to pay you for them. And you said yourself that the universe has a way of paying you back. So, dear universe, please pay Patrick back for sending me these wonderful pennies. And bless his socks off. Thank you, Patrick. Seriously, dude, a huge shout out. I will put all your contact information. Disgraceland Guitars. Patrick also builds cigar box guitars, dude. He is a man of many, many talents. So a huge shout out, a huge thank you, Patrick. And guys, go check out Patrick's YouTube channel and tell him Del sent you. All right, so that's Patrick. Thanks, Patrick. Oh, and by the way, this box, dude, come on, dude. That is just an extra sweet touch, dude. Yep. Awesome. Thanks, dude. Moving right along to a gentleman, Mike Barton. All right, Mike. I know what these are because I asked for them specifically. These are fretboards. Now, Mike is a gifted woodworker, as well as a cigar box guitar builder also. And I seen some of his work, and I was like, dang, dude, need that. Next thing you know, it shows up on my doorstep, and I was just like, oh my gosh. So yeah, so these are fretboards, and I can't wait to see what he's done because Mike is a super talented guy, very creative, very thoughtful, and yeah, okay, I wanted to show you these things here. I wanted to see them myself and show you. I got an idea. And I'm not going to tell you because it's going to be a surprise. Okay, so we're going to look at these one at a time. All right, look at that first one right off the bat. Guys, come on, seriously. Oh my gosh, I have the perfect box for this thing too. Watch, check it out. Don't go anywhere. Stay right there. See this box with the angled components? Well, isn't that going to be a pair? Guys, yes sir. Keep those together. Okay. Damn. I'm telling you guys, this guy Mike, he thinks out of the box. Oh, look, there's the opposite one. That is just creative as all get out. There's another one of these guys. I think these are the bomb, dude. I just love the way that looks. So we got a few of these. Few of these. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yikes. Oh no, that is just too cool. Dang. Dang, 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 dang. I almost don't want to use them. But of course I'm going to. All right, Mike. Patrick, seriously, huge shout out to you guys. You guys are a huge, tremendous blessing to me. And I know you guys are doing this for free, but nothing is for free. Nothing is for free. And what goes around comes around, right? So I'm going to be sending you each one half of this cat. Just kidding. This is Gracie. And she's all skinny now because she had her kittens. And they're all gone. So now she's got her hourglass figure back. Huh. Yippers. Okay, guys. Keep an eye on the mailbox because something just might be showing up. Blessings, y'all. Cheers.